Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a hexagon spin transition. So I'll be showing you guys how to make a free version and a paid version, although there's not that much of a difference. All the paid version does is it makes the transition a little bit more smooth. So let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so to begin with, you're already going to want to have your two photos or videos imported into the timeline. Now press New, Multi-Layer, and then press on Layer 1 and then import your photo or video. Now click away from this and then press on Layout and select Shape Spin 2. If you don't know where it is, you can always look it up using this little search tool right here. Now press on Layer 1 and then press on Edit Keyframes. And right where the opacity icon is, you're just going to want to press on that and it will change into the layout icon, and now you can adjust the layout settings. So at the beginning of the clip, you're going to want to have your layout set to 0. And at the end of your clip, you're going to want to have your layout set to around 30. Now press on this straight line here next to layout and then press on Custom, and then make sure that you're on this setting. And then just copy what I do. Okay, so once you have a graph that looks like this, press Done, then press Back. Now press on Create, press Done. Now go to the second clip and then press New, Multi-Layer, and then press on Layer 1 and then import your second video or photo. Now click away from this, and once again we're going to press on Layout and select Shape Spin 2. Now press on Layer 1 again and press Edit Keyframes, and click on the opacity icon and change the layout to about 80. Now go to the very end of your clip and set the layout to 100. Now press on this straight line right here next to layout and then press on Custom, and then again make your graph look like mine. Okay, so now once you have something that looks like this, press Done, press Back, now press on Create, then press Done. Now this is what we have. Okay, so if you're doing the free version, you can stop right here. Otherwise, you can add some VS Motion Blur, which just makes the transition a little bit more smooth. If you want to make it even more smooth, press Edit, press Merge Scenes, and then on the last clip, you're going to want to press Set End, and then on the first one, you're going to want to press on Set Start, then just press Merge, and then just confirm it, and then press Save. Now press on New, and then press on Transform, and then select VS Motion Blur. If you press Edit, you can adjust the settings. These are my settings, but most settings will work. Now once you're happy with your settings, press on Create, and just wait for it to load. That is it, guys. It's so simple. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys found this tutorial helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye!